Hi, I'm Shannon, and if you're looking for a mid-sized truck that will take your adventures to epic proportions, then let me introduce you to the Chevy Colorado. Whatever your passion in life is, the Colorado's rugged design is more capable than ever before. So let's discover the Chevy Colorado. Now, with all the exciting driving you can do in the Colorado, safety is always a top priority. And with Chevy's Safety Assist package, you can feel confident with all of your road trips. This package includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, following distance indicator, lane keep assist with lane departure warning. It also features IntelliBeam auto high beams that automatically turn Colorado's high beam headlamps on and off according to surrounding traffic conditions. Another great feature is Teen Driver. This lets you activate customizable vehicle settings to help encourage better driving behavior from new drivers. Also, an in-vehicle report card gives you information on driving habits and helps you continue to coach your new driver. Add in available rear pedestrian alert and available rear cross traffic braking, both of which will alert you to pedestrians or traffic behind you, and you can safely begin your adventure. Once you're on your way, if it's going to be a long journey, you can enjoy the available adaptive cruise control. With this feature, you can relax and automatically maintain a driver-selected gap time from the detected vehicle you're following while you steer. This feature reduces the need to frequently brake and accelerate when you're driving. With available blind zone steering alert, you have peace of mind knowing you can detect a potential crash with the moving vehicle in the lane you're entering. It provides a brief, urgent turn of the steering wheel to alert you so you can take further action to avoid a collision. From its rugged exterior to its refined, comfortable interior, Colorado will make driving a mid-sized truck an adventure to remember. For more information on the Chevy Colorado, visit one of your 38 Metro Detroit Chevy dealers. Then put it in D and see why Chevy drives the Motor City.